Hello students, we are on chapter 10, that is 6 Foolish Fishermen. We have already completed the chapter, explanation of the chapter, and I hope you have learned the word meanings and read the lesson. Okay. So today I shall give you the summary of the chapter so that you may understand more. So, the 6 foolish fishermen were brothers. We know that, no? When we read this lesson, we know that there were 6 foolish fishermen. They went for fishing. So they went to the river and picked good spot to fish. They selected a very good spot for fishing. One fished from a log, one fished from a boat, one fished from the bridge, and the other one fished from a rock, and the other one from the raft, and the other one fished from the bank of the river. So they were 6 brothers, and 6 of them had picked up good spot to fish. They have selected different places for fishing. So then what happened? One fished from the raft and the other one fished from the river. When it was time to go home, the brothers became little worried and tensed. What is the reason why the brothers became worried? Each foolish fisherman, fearing that his brothers had fallen in the stream, counted to see that there were still 6. So what happened? And each foolish fisherman forgot to include himself. So each of them were counting, but they were getting only 5. Why they got only 5? Because they were not counting. They forgot to include himself. That's why they got only 5. So they were thinking that the 6th brother was drowned in the water. All the brothers went back to the shore, trying to see the body of the drowned brother. So where did they move? So they were worried and they were tense, and they moved around at the bank of the river, and they were searching for the 6th brother. What did they think? They thought that their little brother was drowned. It took a small boy to convince them they had not lost a brother, that they were 6. Who convinced the other 6th brother? The little boy, one who was fishing near the shore, convinced them that they had not lost any brother, but they were still 6. And finally what happened? Finally the foolish brother thanked the little boy because he helped them to find their 6th brother. So finally what we see in the end of the story? The end of the story, the 6 brothers thanked, and because he helped the little boy helped them to find their 6th brother. Okay, that's the end of the story. I hope this is the summary of the story. I hope you understood the story. So now today we will read out the word meanings also. Okay, you can also open page number 60. The meaning of kneel, to rest on knees. Next one is lean, L-E-A-N, lean. What is the meaning of lean? To move into a sloping position. To move into a sloping position. Drown. What is the meaning? Die or kill through the submersion in water. Shriek. High-pitched, piercing sound, cry or words. Okay? That are the word meaning we have to learn. And I hope you have written it already in your textbook. Now next question is exercise 1. We will revise today. put a tick mark to the true and a cross mark to the false one. The first one. Each brother had good luck. Is it right? Each brother had a good luck. They got many fish, no? Yes. So what we will write here? We will write true. When it was time to go home, the brothers were happy. Isn't it? When it was time to go home, were they happy? No, they were not happy, because what's the reason why they were not happy? They have lost. They thought that they have lost one brother. So what we will write here? False. It was the brother in the boat who counted first. Yes, it was the brother, one who was in the boat, who counted first. True. While counting, each brother forgot to include himself. That is right. While counting each brother, what happened? They forgot to count himself. That is why they got only 5. So we write the true or false. Which one will write? We write true. The boy who came along had caught a fish. No. The boy, one who helped, one who convinced them that they are really 6. He did not get any fish, isn't it? So the last one answer is wrong. Now fill in the blanks. Second exercise. They went to the river and dashed good spot to fish. They went to the river and picked good spot to fish. When it was time to go home, the brothers dashed a little worried. Brothers became, B-E-C-A-M-E, became little worried. Why did we ever come here for one of us to be drowned? Then along came a boy who had also been dashed but who had not got a single fish. But we will write here fishing. They came along a boy who had been also fishing. They were dashed and slapped each other on the back. They were overjoyed. Overjoyed means they were very happy, overjoyed. That is the last answer of the filling the blanks. Okay. Now answer the following questions. The first question. What did the brother do for fishing? What did the brother do for fishing? What is the answer? They went to the river and picked good spot to fish. What did the brother do? They went to the river and picked a good spot to fish. The second question. Where did each brother fish from? Where did each brother fish from? Each brother fished from the spot he had chosen. You remember, no? They had chosen different spot and from there they had a fishing. Okay. Now the third one. What happened when it was time to go home? What happened when it was time to go home? When it was time to go home, the brothers became little worried. That is what we see in the lesson, no? When it was time to go home, the brothers were little worried. The next question, the fourth one. What had each brother forgotten to do? What had each brother forgotten to do? Each brother had forgotten to count himself. To count himself. That is what they have forgotten, isn't it? The next one. What did all the brothers do having each counted only 5 brothers? What is the answer of that? All the brothers went back to the shore trying to see the body of the drowned brother. Okay, so they thought that the brother might have been fallen in the water. Okay, fell in the water and drowned. So they went to see the drowned brother. The next one. Who helped the brothers in the end? Who was the one who helped the brothers? A boy helped the brother in the end. A little boy, we see in the last part of the chapter, we see that a boy helped the brother in the end. The last question. Why did the brothers thank the boy? Why did the brothers thank the boy? Why did they thank him? The brothers thanked the boy because he helped them to find their sixth brother. Why did they thank the boy? Because he helped them to find their sixth brother. So dear students, we have discussed here the summary of the lesson and also true or false, first exercise, the second one filling the blanks, and also the question answer of the lesson. Please write it down, the fair copy, the question answers which I have given right now, and also I have given in the previous class. Okay, so please write it down in your copy. Thank you students for listening.